Christian Krogh was born August 13, 1852, died October 16, 1925. He was a Norwegian naturalist painter, illustrator, author and journalist. Krogh was inspired by the realism art movement and often chose motifs from everyday life. He was the director and served as the first professor at the Norwegian Academy of Arts from 1909 to 1925. Inspired by the ideas of the realists, he chose motifs primarily from everyday life, often its darker or socially inferior sides. Krogh's style made him a leading figure in the transition from Romanticism to Naturalism. Christian Krogh received numerous national and international awards during his career.